Hello guys, today's video is how to create that flower on the crop top. That's how the top is, and I'm about to start draping that flower on the crop top. So what you need is a long piece of fabric, as longer as you want your flower to be full. And you sew 2 or 1 stitch or gathers depending on how good you are, how steady you are, not to cut the thread. I did 1 line of gathers, so I'm going ahead, I'm dragging it, creating my gathers, not dragging it, I'm creating my gathers. Okay. I'm creating my gathers, in the beginning I don't want a lot of it, so I'm gonna make a light, like medium gathers. Yeah, medium gathers like that in the beginning to start with. And then when I'm at the top of the flower, like up top of the flower, I'm gonna drag more for more gathers, for a full gather. Let me put it that way. Full gather, like I'm gathering it to the top, to the end, like until there's no way to drag anymore, to gather anymore. I'm continuing to do my gathers. I keep doing more gathers. As I said, I'm pushing the gathers to the top because the flower will be more formed on the top. So it's loose now, and then more gathers at the top. So I went on the side and I finished doing my gathers. That's how it look like. So as long as I'm going, as I'm pinning it up on the shirt on the top, I'm going to produce my gathers. So I need pins for the project to pin it up together. I'm starting with loose gathers, as I said, at the bottom, and then when I'm on the top, at the edge of the flower, in the center of the flower, there I need more gathers. So I'm just gonna go ahead, dripping and pinning it, giving it the shape I want it to have before I will sit down on either on the machine or I'll do it hand sewn. On the machine is preferable, but there's some parts where I will need to do hand sewing. I'm not gonna be able to sit down under the machine to stitch. There I need to use my needle and thread. So most of the part will be stitched after I pin and give it a shape. So I'm gonna stop talking and just let you watch and continue to the end to see the end of my project. All right, we are at the end of our dripping of our flower creation, as I could say it. So right now I'm just cutting out the hanging threads. I'm just adjusting it to the desired shape I want it to have. It's up to you, however you want it to be. You could fold it up, fold it down on the side, give it the shape you want to give. You can use organza, you could use tulle, you could use interfacing into the fabric, African print. Here I use cottons and polyester. So I fold cotton polyester fabric to give it that weight. So thank you for watching to this level to the end, and I hope it inspired you, it gave you direction and idea on how to create flower on top of a dress. You can put that on the sleeve, anywhere you want to put it. So thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Put a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share with your friend, and watch again if you want to learn, and comment. Catch you on the next one.